Welcome everyone, it is John, and today we're going to make potpourri. Do we know how? Absolutely not, but we're going to try, so follow us. So, does anyone else ever buy like a bag of oranges with every intention in the world on eating them all, but you just have some that go to waste? That's the reason we're doing this, is because, you know, you go to the store, you see a single orange for like $1, but then you see a bag of oranges for like $3. So it's like, hey, I'll get that bag of oranges, I'll eat them, I'll get more fruit in me, but you know, there's always like a handful of them that just kind of go to waste. These are on their last leg, so we're gonna give this a shot and see if we can make some potpourri.
So you're gonna want your mandolin set to a thick slice, which sounds too thick, but it really isn't that.
See, it says thick slice. So we're just gonna slowly.
And be careful with this thing, because it's really sharp.
It will slice your finger wide open. You should, but see the way this is, I'm having to kind of saw it, because this is extra thick.
When you get down to closer, we'll.
Oh, look at that. Look at those pretty orange slices. I was worried it was too far gone.
Some of them might be, but we'll have to break into them first and see.
I have to tilt it up so they don't. Boy, that smell though.
Yeah.
Such a good smell.
I know this is a fall craft and this is June, but this is what life gave us, lemons. And this is what we're doing.
We did not eat them. They gave us lemons and we didn't eat them. Oh, geez.
We ate some of them.
All right, so we got a whole lot more to slice up here, so let's speed things up a little bit.
So while he's finishing up the orange slices, they're about this thick, so you have some reference on that. But it's really important to blot them first with a paper towel to get the excess moisture off before you put them in the oven. That's gonna avoid some of the burning that can happen. So it's really important not to skip that step. So this is how many it ended up making. 3 pans. One of them's a pizza pan, so pretty good size. So that was 6 oranges and 2 lemons. And I decided to try something on this one. It's actually a drying rack, but I use it to make beef jerky anyways. So we're gonna try that. If they all stick, they all stick, but I wanted to see what would happen. It seems like it could work.
You make some good beef jerky too. Man. We're gonna make that next.
So we're gonna put them in the oven at 275 for 30 minutes.
Yep.
See you then.
All right, it has been 30 minutes. So now we're gonna flip all these, and then we're gonna drop the temperature down to 215 for another 30 minutes. All right, so we got them all flipped and time to go back into the oven. Okay, at this point, take them out of the oven, flip them one more time.
Oh, actually, on this step, we're gonna take this paper out from under them and put fresh paper so it can not be soggy. It can absorb if it needs to.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna put the seasonings on them. Hopefully they don't burn. This is what we're gonna find out.
Yep.
And then put it back in for 30 more minutes.
We'll see what happens. All right, guys, it's been a couple of days because we wanted to put everything in bags and let the fragrance kind of marinate in the bag. We could have put it all in one, but this is the size we had, so. But anyways, we added apple pie spice, whole cloves, ground cinnamon, as well as cinnamon sticks, and the alchemy spice.
Yeah, that one's just a mix, a baked goods blend. And the cinnamon sticks.
And the cinnamon sticks. And then we're going to package these in little bags. And
they came out really pretty.
They did.
Look at the color it kept.
They turned out perfect. I expect this to be a fail. And here's the finished product. It is in these nice bags with these lovely tags that Heather made. And if you're interested in one of these, you can buy it yourself. We're selling them on Etsy shop, and I'm going to say they smell amazing. It is like Christmas at Grandma's house. It is such a comforting fragrance that I'm definitely keeping some for here. But if you guys would like some of your very own, there's just a few bags available. They will be for sale on Etsy shop, and the link is down below in the description. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We had so much fun making it. I hope you had as much fun watching it as we did making it. But for now, guys, y'all have a great day.
I'll do it for you. Welcome, everyone. This is John. wait, and today we're gonna be making potpourri with this little orange.